Streaming is a thing. Okay. How's it going, Alan? Okay, so I just wanted to work on some stuff. I figured I might as well do a stream since I haven't done anything in a little while. Been so busy, haven't had any time. But it also gave me a chance to show you guys what I've been working on. Let me think of the best way to go about showing this stuff. Let me put this over here and this over here. Just gotta rearrange myself a bit here, but that does not work. Okay. Okay. I want to see both of those things. Do. Okay. Yeah, that'll work for now. Fuck it. I'm just trying to organize my windows a little bit so I can show you guys what I'm doing, but show you the right things. Okay, so let me I'm actually gonna switch over this display to my other display. Just which display is that? I actually probably should figure that out first. Okay, that's the third display. Cool. Display 3. Nope, wrong display. What? It lied to me. Haha, it lied. Alright. So, we'll put that over here. Oh, this is not sized correctly. Oh. Why is this window not sized correctly? Technical difficulties. That's weird. Why is this window not? That's very weird. Huh? What? Okay, whatever. That's weird. Why is it like cutting off at the bottom? That's stupid. It's kind of dumb, but whatever. I guess it is what it is. It is what it is. It shouldn't make that big of a difference, though. We should be okay. Have to figure that out eventually, I guess. But anyway, I I think this is the best way to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna just start talking about what I'm doing. So actually it'd probably be easiest to show you guys. Oh shit, that's gonna be annoying. Damn it. Having that stuff in that window is gonna be annoying. Okay. Quick change of plans. Rotate this monitor. Oh, okay, now everything's sideways. Awesome. I didn't think this through. Okay, I need to make that landscape. Yes. Okay. And this is better. This is much better. Very nice. Yeah. There we go. Oh, that's good. That's real good. Okay. Okay. So that shouldn't... It does. Why? Ooh, that's annoying. Whatever, it doesn't matter. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. So, I don't know how many people know what I've been working on. So I'm gonna just start by showing it, I guess. And yeah. Let me just make sure. Let me just make this. Make sure this is 1280. Okay, that's working. Sweet. So, this is what I've been working on. So, I've been working on building this autopilot system to play Truck Driving Simulator. Fantastic use of my time. And it works pretty well. So this is all being controlled by the AI and the software that I've written. You have a bunch of information on the left. It's telling you what's going on, but it's pretty straightforward. It's just driving. It's driving itself. It's self-driving. So this is what I've been working on. It's been taking massive amounts of time, and I've been just never completely satisfied with it to the point that I want to post a video on it yet. I'm actually going to just change the title of the video real quick, because it's kinda boring, I guess. How do I do that? How do I change that? Live stream settings? No. How do I change the title? Why is this so hard? Why is this so hard to do in YouTube? God damn it. Frick. Oh, there it is. It was the button was being hidden from me. Okay. That should be a little more interesting. Okay. So, been working on building this self-driving truck system software sort of deal, right? And it works pretty well. So it's like one of those things where it's like never completely done. I always like am thinking of ways to improve it, and I'm always like tweaking it. But I have like an eventual goal for this project. Well, not really a goal for it, but more just like something I want to do with it that like could be fun and like engaging, rather than just me being like, oh hey, this is like self-driving truck simulator or whatever. I actually want to like do something that like could be engaging with it. So my idea is to do what I'm doing right now, which is live stream it, but I want to how do I put this? I don't want to be at the live stream. What I want to do is I want to just be able to live stream this like 24/7 and not have to actually sit here live streaming it, and like being present all the time. I think it would just be cool to have this like running 24/7, just constantly driving. Did I take weather into account? Yeah. It can drive in the rain. I mean, the simulation, I mean, this game is like realistic enough to do something like this in, but I mean, it's by no means like it's no means like weather in this game is like no means the same as like weather in the real world. Weather in the real world for self-driving cars is like much more of a challenge. In this game, it's not really that much of a challenge. But like the game does have like rain and stuff. So, but I mean, I gathered enough data and trained it on enough data that it's pretty robust. And that's been like what's been taking up most of my time with this project, is just like fine-tuning the crap out of it. I've been working on this project for I think like almost 6 months. Not specifically like the simulation portion of it, just but like the all over self-driving project has been like a lot of work. This like I've probably been working on this specifically for about 3 months. But it's like a never-ending cycle of just like trying to improve it. There's still a lot of things that I want to do with it. For example, right now it doesn't brake for cars or anything like that. It has no idea what to do if it runs into a car. It just like it'll crash into cars 100%, which is why I have limited the speed to 50 miles an hour. It won't go above 50 miles an hour. So like you're seeing right now, every other car is just passing it. So it shouldn't have to worry about crashing into cars unless like there's cars stopped in the road, which happens sometimes. And there is the thing that I want to work on. I think it's what I want to work on today. And that is like I said, I want to have this driving 24/7. I don't want to have to be present, because currently when I'm testing this, like right now, I could like walk away and like go do something else, and it could drive pretty good, but it's gonna mess up eventually. It just will. It's not perfect. It's not perfect by any means. Okay, I'm gonna quickly put myself on. Put myself on Do Not Disturb on Steam because that's really annoying. The notifications. Okay. So, like, I could just like get up and walk away, but it'll eventually crash, right? It's just going to happen. It's not perfect. So, what I want to do is basically, when it crashes, I want it to basically start in a new location and then just start driving from there. So essentially just teleport it to like a specified location and just have it drive from that location. And I know how to do it. I've been like trying to figure out how to do it. And I didn't want to like live stream that process of like figuring out how to actually do teleport my truck in this game, because that was a lot of work and very annoying to figure out, like scrubbing through forums for this game that like people don't really do this kind, like never do this kind of thing. So but essentially okay, so if I stop my truck, I'm gonna just stop the truck. So this game has a developer console. Whoop-de-doo. But it has this cool command called go to, right? It's a teleport command. You can teleport places, and there's two ways to teleport from what I found. The first one is to just type in, why the hell? The first one is to type in just the name of the city that you want to teleport to, right? So if I wanted to teleport to San Diego, it teleports me here to San Diego, right? We're in San Diego. But there's a couple issues with the way, with just teleporting like that. For one, I'm in the sky, right? Like, and so if I go back to my truck didn't teleport there. I just teleported my camera to San Diego. But if I do teleport to San Diego, right, and then I can press the F9 key, and it'll teleport my truck to this location. I don't want to do that right now because, like I said, I'm in the sky. And so if I teleport my truck right now, my truck is going to fall out of the sky and get like severely damaged, which is just annoying, and I don't want that to happen. So the go-to command also has the ability to specify like X, Y, Z coordinates. So also, I'm not streaming the game, so I hope you guys can see everything I'm doing. It should be like pulling the whole frame from the game. You might not be able to see the commands I'm typing behind the readout screen, but that's whatever. But so the go-to command also has the ability to specify specific like XYZ coordinates, right? So what I've done is I have collected a couple locations, right? These here. These are specific coordinates for places on the map. Different, like San Diego northbound, San Diego eastbound, a gas station, a service station. And so let's say I want to teleport to this service station, right? I can just, I'm going to make sure you can see that. I'm going to take those commands or those coordinates. I'm going to go to, paste those commands, coordinates. Now I am at a service station. My truck still isn't here yet, but if I pressed F9, my truck would teleport to the service station, right? The service station is wherever that's not where I am. That's where my truck is. But the service station is like, service station's like up here or somewhere. I don't know. There's service stations all around the map. I just chose one. I don't care. Doesn't matter. But if I teleported my truck here, my truck would teleport to the service station, right? Or say I want to go to San Diego northbound, right? Let me do that. So if I go to San Diego northbound. So if I teleported my truck here, this highway goes north from San Diego. There's a moth in my room. I want to kill it. Oh, he's coming. He's in front of my screen. Oh shit. Oh, I'm gonna kill him. But yeah, so if I teleported my truck here, my truck would teleport, or my truck would be on a highway now headed northbound. So that's great. So what I need to do is basically I want to detect when my truck has stood still, or like when it's not moving, right? And if it doesn't move in for a certain amount of time, I'm going to teleport it to a random location. I'll have like a list of locations with coordinates, and I'll just teleport it to a random location. And so that should be entirely possible. There's a couple things I need to do. One of them is improve the way that I'm detecting my speed, because as you can see, I'm currently not moving, but my speed says I'm going 28 miles per hour. And the reason for that is because the digit recognition system that I built works with like reading each digit in my speed. So like if I'm going 20 or 19 miles per hour, like whatever, so one of the digits being read is a 1 and the other is say like the 6 or 7 or 8, right? And it's recognizing each of those numbers individually and then stitching them together to make a speed. But when I'm going below 10 miles an hour, everything breaks, because it's trying to look for two numbers, you know, and so when there's only one number on the screen, it's like half of the numbers in each little image that the character recognition is looking at, and so it just gets messed up. So I need to figure out a way to build a better recognition system to detect the numbers. That shouldn't be too hard. I already have an idea of how to do that. That's not what I want to do today. What I really want to do is I want to build a subroutine to basically give the computer the ability to open a console, type go to, and then the coordinates, and then teleport, and then once it's teleported, it doesn't matter. It'll just keep going, and it'll just keep driving. So I just need to build the subroutine to actually just do the go to thing, and that should be all set. So yeah, so we're gonna do that. So let me see here. I want to put this back on this screen because I don't like this screen. 24/7 simulation is a great idea. I think it'll be fun. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm just want to make sure I do it right and actually have it be entertaining, I guess. Because that's what it is at the end of the day, I guess, being entertaining. So, let's see. This is all the code I have so far. Well, not all of it. This is just to actually run the autopilot. Like, this uses a lot of different things that I've had to build and that I've had to borrow to get to work. But I have basic functionality for everything that I need to do. I just need to put it together. So I'm actually going to work in this utils file. And I need to, so we're gonna build this little method. Teleport to random location. Okay. So what do I need first? I need the ability to type keys. So I have that ability already, actually. Well, not type keys, but I need to emulate key presses, which I do have. So I have this direct keys library. So direct keys. I need press key. Oh, oops. So I have this file, this Python script called press keys, which or direct keys, sorry, which has these functions for press key and release key, and this basically uses this ctypes library to emulate key presses, and whichever key press is determined by some hex code. And I have a list of some hex codes here for keys that I'm already using, but I need more. I need all the keys. So the way we're going to do that is I need to find a library or not a library. I just need to find the key codes. I know if I've virtual key codes. Is this what I need? I guess I can check against. So let me look at the W key. www 57. Nope, that's not the one. Yeah, I have a lot of other ideas for like ways to interact. Specifically with the chat, I want to do some chat interaction. But this is honestly, this piece is just so that the thing can run 24/7. I need to get that working before I can start working on chat functionality. ASCII, nope. Simulate key presses. Okay. I probably should just go find the... I'm using ctypes. Do they have a list of key hex codes here? No. Key codes. ctypes keyboard event. Script to emulate key presses on Windows. No, I need like a list. I know I found it before because that's how I got some extra keys. Oh, here we go. This was it, I think. Direct input keyboard scan codes. This is where I found it. Oh my god, it's not gonna load, is it? Oh, come on. Load, 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 load. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Come on. Shitty, shitty website. What if I just take that and just look that up? Just Google that. Direct import key. Are these what I want? I think. Yes, this is what I need. Cool. So I have to take all of these, or not all of them. I guess I don't need all of them. I just need I do need most of them. Okay, I know how to do this. We're gonna do some cheeky JSON magic, man. So let me see. Keycodes.json. Alright, so if we do this, right? Oops. Oop. Oh, you could do this in Sublime Text. Oh, do I have to use Sublime Text? Hello, Asin. I know you could do this in Sublime Text so easily. It's like the only thing I ever used Sublime Text for was doing this shit. You could do like multi-line like selections and then just like delete shit. Yes. Okay. Sublime. Okay. Keycodes.json open with Sublime Text. Sublime. Where is it? Where is it? Where'd it go? I downloaded it. There it is. Keycodes.json. Oh, well, it'd help if I saved it. Maybe. There we go. Okay, so if I remember, how do you do this? How do you do this? I gotta Google it. Multi-line selection? I know you can do this. Multiple selection. Control Alt. Control Shift L. There it is. Ha ha ha. That was the ticket. Yay. Oh, poop. Okay. This is what we're doing. Oh shit. I probably don't need Sublime Text. Is it just Control D on VS Code? Yeah, I don't know. I probably should have just Googled it on VS Code. Oh crap! What am I doing? I need to. Damn it. Okay. Fucking, I'm gonna do it in VS Code. So you said you can just do Control D, Or Control Alt, Control D. Or Control Alt, Control Shift D. Nope. What is the command? Hold Alt and click. Control Alt. I need to Google. Oh, it's Control Alt. Right? Yeah. Control Alt. There it is. Okay, so see, I want to delete. That's annoying. Alright, I gotta delete these by hand, I guess. Alright. Yeah. There's gotta be an easier way to do this, man. Oh, this is gonna be a pain in the butt, dude. I mean, I could just do this. Well, at least this, right? And then I can just delete these. No, I can only. I can only go until that. Then I have to do it manually. Like, I probably don't even need to delete them. I don't know. Just be annoying to have random comments throughout the whole JSON file. Do. What the hell? Okay, almost done. Okay, it's cleaned. Anyway, these all need to be strings. Yeah. Okay. I also can get rid of all the equal signs. I don't know why I put those there. That's not how you write JSON files. I mean, I guess it doesn't need to be a JSON file necessarily. It can just be it can just be like just a file, like a Python file with a bunch of predefined variables. But I don't know. Part of me feels like it should be JSON. Oh shit, those all need to be strings too. Okay. Oops. Beautiful. Beautiful. It is a beautiful JSON file. Wonderful. Okay, so import JSON. So I should just be able to. Do I have to do like JSON? Like, I want to load it as a dictionary. Convert JSON to a dictionary. Load JSON. Oh, it is a it is a dictionary. It does get loaded as a dictionary. The same shit. Duh. So key. Okay, so we should be able to. That should be enough. We should have all the keys. I just want to test it. These spaces aren't gonna cause a problem. I guess I could just replace spaces with nothingness. There we go. Now that won't be a problem. And so to test this, I need to find everywhere I was pressing a key. I guess I could just search it. No, it was press key. So if I do key codes and then I do whatever the like L key was. What is it? Is it the KL? Right, that should press the L key. Oh, is that really all I... Okay, Well, that should be enough for me to test if that works or not. So, let me move this over, run the autopilot, and oops. Oh, I need to get rid of that function to test this. What? Errors? Wait. Oh, I loaded the JSON wrong. So I have to do some shit like with open. Or I can just do. Nah, fuck it. I'll just do the with open. Then, like, you gotta do the J. Wait. Then this has to be the JSON file. Okay, we are grooving. So, if I open up the game, I just need to time set 1000. How do you do time set? In American Truck Simulator. So it's G underscore time set 15. What? Okay, hold on. G. God damn it. G. Okay, let me look at this time. Time. No, it's gotta be time. No. Alright, fuck it. I gotta look through all the commands. I just want to set the time tonight, dude. Come on. I know there's a time set command. I know it. Use enumerator instead of JSON file. I mean, does it matter? I mean, oh, it's set time. I can't read. That's the middle of the day. That's the middle of the night. Are my headlights gonna turn on? Shit. What happened? I got an error. An integer is required. Oh, I gotta convert that. I gotta convert this to an int. Lame. gotta be an easier way to do it than just iterating. Convert all dictionary values. Really? I have to iterate. It just seems unnecessary. How do I use hex? Maybe these don't need to be strings. Maybe I was just being a butt. Maybe they actually don't need to be strings because I don't want them to be strings. They're hex values. See, I see the red and I think inherently problem. And it probably is a problem. Yeah, that's definitely a problem. I already Googled that, man. Let's see. Let me just see what happens if I convert that to hex. Just don't want to have to do that with all the keys. I'd rather than just have them all be correct, but maybe not. What? Come on. So maybe they have to... I don't know. It keeps complaining about integers, so I'm going to give it integers. Okay, turn on my lights. Nope. Int with base. Oh, come on. Killing me. Yeah, it doesn't want ints either. So it needs the hex metadata. Maybe I should just make it a like Python file. That might just be easier, man. I'm also gonna get rid of all the DIKs, but It's JSON. It's just not worth what we're trying to do. Because I only need to load it once. I'm not really worried about having it load multiple times or anything like that. Oops. Now maybe I do need the DIK. Well, whatever. Ooh. And we'll rename that. Not keycodes dot, man. Cool. So oh no, not no. Oh, pff, no. No, no, no. Oh wait, fuck. Oh, I'm just making mistakes. No, I want to. Well, I've kind of royally fucked it up now. No, I'm okay. I just need to replace the equals with the colons again. Replace yes. Oh wait, no. I need to replace the colons. Do dickety dippity do. Right? Yeah. I'm gonna turn this into a dictionary. I kind of dippity-dooed it, so this isn't gonna be the prettiest dictionary in the world, but fuck it. It's a dictionary. I don't care. Dibbidi-dibbidi-doo. Okay, this should work. Cross my fingers. And it's fucking daytime. Okay. Uh-oh. 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 Stop. Turn off. Just gotta make sure. We're good. Alright. Key codes work. Not sure why it's not moving though, but don't really care. Oh, I know why it wasn't moving, but whatever. Why is it predicting break? Should not be predicting breaks. That was weird. Okay, I'm screwing with something wrong. What? Oh, the break prediction was on? I didn't want it to be. Okay. Alright, well, key codes work. So, now, we can build this function. Teleport to random location. Okay. So, I'm gonna need to put together. Ooh, that's gonna be. Ooh, I didn't think about that. Oh wait, I can change it here, so I don't need to keep the DIK. Right. So like this, I want to actually be a semicolon. No, semicolon. Because I'm gonna look up a character. So I need the period, comma. That should be all I need. I only need semicolon. Oh, I do need a minus signs. Minus. So I can do it for a bunch of them. Okay. Okay. So I shouldn't need to have the DIK, I should just do L here. Not gonna test it, but it's gonna work. And so, alright, so my idea here is, say I have, a locations array, right, of strings with just the location, right? Maybe I want it to be a dictionary because I kind of want to know what location it is that I'm talking about. So this is San Diego North. So then I want San Diego East. Then I want safe. These are just some locations that I've already pre-logged the coordinates for. So that's Eureka. This is San Diego East. Right. So I have an array with all of these locations. I'm gonna add a lot more. I just need to find them. So what I can do is I can select, let me just look up. I just want to pick a random dictionary element. So if I return location, it should spit me out a random coordinate, but I need to test this. Yeah, there we go. So it spits out a random location, right? And so we're receiving that as a string. So what we can do with that is I'm not gonna need to return anything anymore. So I'm gonna just actually rename this to coordinate. Coordinate characters equals, we're gonna just split this, right? So now we should have a list. So if I for C in coordinate characters print C, right? And we should just see it prints, oh, I'm printing the result. I don't want to do that. Oh, but I want it. How long is it? Might just be 44. Yeah. What about... Oh. What? Oh, hold on. I think you need to do an empty delimiter. No? I'm pretty sure that's supposed to work. Oh, you have to do split and then in. Oh, that's weird. I didn't think that was how you did it, but the internet never lies. Yeah, no, that's not how you do it. It's fucking lying to me. Oh, wait, do you have to, oh, you have to convert to a list and then split it? No, that's dumb. What the hell is happening here? Is this Python 2? Is it talking about Python 3? Oh, maybe I don't even need to split it. Since it's already a string, I can just iterate through each character in the string. Yeah, that was pointless and stupid. Okay, so now I can just press key code, key codes. I need to import it. Key codes, and then just pass in str c, and that should emulate my key press, and then I can do release key just to make sure. I don't remember if I need to specify. Oh yeah, you do. Okay, so I'm gonna open a new Notepad file. Right, we're gonna test this. I'm gonna just give it a slight time delay. Okay, and it broke. No, it didn't. Oh, I just made it sleep for 10 seconds. Oops. I want it to sleep for like half a second. Hey, we're typing characters. We're typing our coordinates. So, all we have to do now is just tell it to type the tilde key, type go to, and then the coordinates, and then press the enter key. And that should be everything we need. Okay, so all we need to do is press key. What is the tilde key? Is it tilde? I hope they have the tilde key locked. Or oh god, I hope that it's here. I gotta find it. Should be around the numbers, right? I see the escape key. I don't see a tilde. Uh-oh. I don't see it. Maybe I can rebind. Maybe I can rebind the console open, but I mean, I prefer to just have the tilde key. Maybe it was somewhere in these comments. No. Tilde. Okay. Why is it? What did it say? 41? No. Wait, what? Oh, these are not the same, are they? 41 is... Oh, wait, no, that's right. These are fucking hex. I need them. Don't shame me. 29. What is a grave? What is the grave key? Explain. What is that? Okay, press key. Key goes tilde. Time sleep 1. And now we need to type out go to with the space. So they in uppercase? Yeah, they're in uppercase. Go. To and then a space. Maybe it's just space. God, I don't know. Space. All right. I should probably throw a sleep between each of those for like less than a second. It doesn't need to be a second. I'll do like a quarter second. Right, so I'm gonna do a time.sleep at like 2 seconds first. Hey, it's typing the coordinates. Sick. Very, very, very cool. Okay. So, all I should also need here is a press key for enter. Oh, I should also probably do release keys for all these. Codes. Enter. Yeah, I just didn't think it would be called the grave. I don't know why. I mean, I've never heard of grave before. It's always just tilde. But as long as it works. Oh yeah, the grave is that symbol on top of the tilde. I see. Yeah. So, okay. All right, I need to see this work. So I'm gonna move this over here. I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna switch back to the game. Right. And hopefully. Give it a minute. Huh. Boom. Ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah. Once it's done, it should press enter. Oh, there was no key for enter. Oops. What is enter then? Oh, it's return. Ah, that's right. Okay. I just want to see if it'll teleport. Or if it, I mean, it should. I can also speed this up a bit. This is pretty slow. Doesn't need to delay for that long between key presses. I could actually just have it do it full speed and it would probably be fine. Oh, why didn't that work? It pressed it. It pressed it. I think it pressed it. Let me test that here again. I'm also going to limit that to like, I'm gonna have it do it really fast. Yeah, why didn't, okay, that's weird. The return didn't, I mean, it's pressing the return button, but it didn't teleport. Maybe if I do it twice. I don't know. Maybe if I ever press the tab twice, I don't know. No? If I press it, it works. What? Huh. Well, that is a... Gonna have to figure that out real quick. Park this. That should work. I don't so weird. That's really weird. I should press the enter key. That should teleport it, right? I mean, I don't see why that wouldn't. I don't think sleeping for like a second would change anything, but yeah, I don't know. That's kind of weird. That's kind of weird. So the synthesized enter press is not sending the command through. That's weird. Shouldn't it? Shouldn't it? That's annoying. Maybe. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'll try that. I don't see why that would make a difference, but maybe. I can see I don't have a numpad on my keyboard, so I couldn't even test that if I wanted to. But I guess I can test it here. Oh, what? Then you couldn't find num return. What? Numpad. Okay, so it's called numpad enter. Nope. That's... Oh, that's annoying. That that might cause a problem with my plan here. Ooh, if I can't emulate enterprises, how will I do? What am I gonna do if I can't? I don't know. How will I be able to do that? I just realized that that window is really, really small. Shit. It's because I run the game. The game is in 720p. So it's pretty small. I'm also just noticing how much delay is on the stream, but okay. Things to change. Man, I don't know about this. Why is... That's so strange. Why wouldn't that work? I don't get it. Oh man, I don't know. I don't know why that wouldn't work. That's really weird. But I guess I'm gonna have to figure that out. But I'll probably do that later. I mean, we got basically what I wanted to achieve done right now. Just typing in the coordinates. So once I figure that out and I'm able to teleport, then all I have to do is teleport the truck and we're good. But yeah, I think I'll try to figure this out off stream, because the rest of what I want to do kind of depends on it, because once I can teleport the truck, I have, not that, I have these other coordinates for service station and gas stations. So what I want to do is basically, before teleporting to a new location, I want to teleport to a service station, repair the truck automatically, teleport to a gas station, fill the truck up automatically with gas, and then teleport it to a random location. Yeah, just so that I never have the problem of like running out of gas. Or like the truck being destroyed. So, but I need to be able to type coordinates in to actually do that. So I'm gonna solve this off stream, but thanks for stopping by and hanging out, anybody who did. And yeah, I'll try to do another stream soon, once I figure this out, and we'll do more fun things with trucks and automated driving stuff. But yeah,